Hello guys, this is a tutorial on how to replace your bearing on the drive shaft, on the middle of the drive shaft. So, remove the wheel, of course, sway bar end links. You don't need to remove the this end link for the steering. You don't even have to remove the disc. You can, so this will be a little easier. Remove the brakes. Remove the bolt on the wishbone ball joint. I didn't remove the shock because you don't need to. I have separated the drive shaft in the middle, remove the clip, and so you can remove the drive shaft. You only need the fixed part, the inner part of the drive shaft to remove that. So remove these bolts so you can remove it from the ball joint, and you will take the hub, put it like this a little, so you remove the drive shaft. You can still be on the shock spring, it is a little easier, and then you have a clear path to there. And that's it. Let's go. First, you have to remove this cap that holds the oil in the gearbox. Use a bigger hammer and tap it lightly towards the outside, all around, and tap it really lightly so you don't bend it or twist it or break it. This is a very soft part of the metal, so just tap it all around evenly out, and that's it. And then I'll show you how to replace the bearing. So now put the fixed part of the drive shaft in your screw. So we have to, as I have seen shown in the last video sketch, we can only remove the fixed part of the drive shaft. Use a hammer and something very sharp or something to remove the ball bearing. Mind that you have a pin in front of the bearing. First remove that with pin pliers. Remove the old ball bearing. I have already done that. Put in a new one. Use the inner part of the old ball bearing to hit on it to put it in on the place all the way to the end. Put in a pin inside. When you can put in a pin in the slot for the pin, you know that you have put the ball bearing all the way, and reverse the process. Put it back in, and that's it. Put in a fresh grease for the drive shaft and new clip